We're gonna show you how to do a sack race. This is first you jump. The person says ready, set, go, and you run. If you want harder, you run there and back. If you want normal, you go there. If you keep jumping, you can do laps like on a track. And then the person who's not doing it or someone who is playing, would say, ready, get, set, go.
Ready,
And then
set,
people will stop jumping.
go.